Hello everyone, in this video we will see what do you mean by polyalphabetic cipher and its techniques. So polyalphabetic cipher, it is nothing but each occurrences of our character will be replaced with the different characters. So each character is having the different substitute. The relationship between the plaintext and the ciphertext is one to many. For example, in our plaintext consists of the characters that is A, B and A. That means our A is replaced with the first character that is D and the second occurrences of our A will be replaced with the character N. In case of polyalphabetic cipher, the each occurrences of character will not replace with the same character. It can be replaced with the different substitute or different characters or alphabet. That is called as polyalphabetic cipher. The example of our polyalphabetic cipher is Vigenere cipher. It is the method of encrypting the alphabetic text. That is also form of polyalphabetic substitution method. In case of polyalphabetic ciphertext, our character will be replaced with the multiple letters. The encryption of our original plain text can be done with the help of two techniques. The first one is Vigenère square and the second one is Vigenere table. Now let's begin with the examples. In this Vigenere table, we are considering this as a row and this one as a column. Whenever we are mapping with the plain text and the key, the plain texts are mapped in the row and the key will be mapped in the column. Our plain text is cat. So our first character is C from the plain text and the first character from the key is B. So C will be mapped with the B. So whenever we are mapping C with the B, that means we are mapping the C in the row and mapping the B in the column. Then we got our ciphertext that is D. Now the next plaintext letter is A and the next key letter is D. Now we have to map the characters that is A with the D. Whenever we are mapping the letter A, then we are mapping with the row and our column is D. Then we again got our ciphertext is equal to D. Then our plaintext letter is T and our key is E. Whenever we are mapping the character T with our E, then we got our ciphertext that is X. So for our plaintext cat, we got our ciphertext that is D, D and X. So this is the examples we have mapped with the plaintext to ciphertext by using this Vigenere cipher table.